30% off the entire purchase on the Nike factory store. So hopefully this one will work out, and unlike the other time, they won't let me use 20% off. They have to deny me, and today hopefully I could use them. So let's go. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Jane Alaska here, and welcome to the Nike factory store. Starting out, we got the Air Max Tailwind SE. Retail is 170, 69 with the 30. Air Max 200, additional 20, and then additional 30. Techno, how about those? Really cheap. Wow, $39.97. Better deal on the Air Force One Mid for another 20 and another 30% off. Next one, we got the Nike Ghost Swift, more cheaper one, another $39.97 in the 30 and the 20s. So we're here on the Jordan aisle, and not much going on this part, but this one don't have the 20, but still good deal for $64.97 and the Jumpman team. Nice colorway though. So the next one, we have here the Jordan Dub Zero. Nice colorway, the camo thing going on. Jordan Big Fun. $69.97 with the 20 and another 30% off. Good deal. Jordan Pro 2 React. Another good deal, $79.97 on both and different colorway. Okay, not bad. So Jordan Max Aura, another good deal for personal, probably $59.97 with the 20 and the 30. So we got then the futures here, $97 as well, 20 and another 30% off. So we are in running shoes. We got the Odyssey React Planet 2, $49.97 with the 20. Joyride Dual Run with additional 20 as well, and the 30. Wow. Zoom Rival Fly. Wow, this one really cheap, $39.97 on top of the 30% off. So Renew Run, this is wide, $44.97 with 20. Nike Zoom Assertion, not bad, $44.97 with the 20 and the 30. Why not? Renew Run, this one is not bad as well, 44 with the 97 and 20. Tennis Classics, wow, cheaper and cheaper. Nike Drop Type Premium, another cheap one. Wow. So this is the Joyride CC, another good deal for the price of $59.97, both colorway with the 20 and the 30% off. So this one is priced $139.99. This one is a price mistake. The sticker shows $99.97. This should be in the deal, including the 20% off and the 30% off. So Nike Max 720, $1899.97. Boom, nice colorway. And this one, this is the only sizes left. I wish it could have been my size, 9.5, but nothing left. Going to the women's section, hope we could find something really good with the 20. We got here the Air Max Correlate, $54.97. The Max Thea, $49.97. Black colorway and this colorway as well. Same price, the white ones, and also this colorway. A lot of good ones on this women's, $39.97. We got the Nike Vision, wow, still high though, $79. We got the Air Zoom Boomerang 13. This not bad as well. After the discount, this should be around $22. And we got the Air Zoom Wild Horse, not bad for the price as well. And Nike Free Run 0.5, $39.97 with the 20 and a 30. Oh, that's a good deal. Alright, the Odyssey React Planet JDI 49.97 with the 30. React Flyknit 2 64.97. Going to the kids section, looks like we got good ones as well. A lot of 20% off. So starting off with this React Flyknit 2 GS 69.97 with the 20. We got the free run, another good deal, 29.97. Air Zoom Pegasus 3S 39.97 with the 20 and the 30. Not bad on those. And this one's really cute, 34.99. They don't have the 20% off, or but I could use the 30%. So yeah, it's really cute. Mids, Jordan 1 mids. Anyone takers? Like that color though. Take the shirt, I'm gonna take the short also. Nice Jordan, another Jordan short. I'm taking them home. Alright, so no restriction today. Got lucky, so not much because already bulk buy already came in today, earlier today. So got some of the leftover, but no complaint. Still I'm happy. Got a few stuff that for personal and something for resale. So let's take them home and unbox. Okay, we are home and this is what we got for today. Starting off with this Women's Air Zoom Boomerang 13. Retail on this one is $130 and we got them for at least somewhere around $22. And we're gonna do a quick flip in this one, probably somewhere 60 or 69. I had to go back and grab me more of this one. The deal is much more better because it has the 20% off and then additional 30% off, so much better deal than the other week. But the reason I'm going back is I already sold most of the size 10, pick up all the size 10 because I'm out of stock of the. So we have here the Jordan Big Fun. A lot of reseller picking up this one. It's gonna take a few that I think I'm gonna do quick clip and move on. There's a lot of good deals on the clothing, so I can't pass on those. Who doesn't need a short during summer? Retail and this one is $60. We got them for $14.97 with the additional 30% off. Black long sleeve with the Jordan on the sleeve with a different printing. So those are personal, and also personal for the shirt. And we got the Jordan here, the Team Care. We got them all for $9.97, those $9.97, those as well. So this one is for resale, so got this one $9.97 also. So most of the short I'm gonna resell them, and those shirt and long sleeve gonna be on the personal. That is our haul for today. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing there, nothing. I think lost my AirPad, so I have to go. I'm gonna locate it if I could still find it.
At the lights, turn right. Arrived.
So the locator says it's right around here, and it's just the same parking. And we play the sound. Hopefully you can hear it. I don't hear any sound. Nothing. I guess I lost my AirPods.